day one of my Nutrisystem trial, Monday, April 2nd, 9:23 a.m. I switched from my Samsung to my LG V20 because I think it makes better videos. So this will be my first breakfast. I have a blueberry muffin. I have a spoonful of peanut butter. It says 2 tablespoons is 180, so 1 tablespoon should be 90, so that should be good for my power fuel. I'm gonna drink some delicious Perrier. And of course I got coffee, because I drink coffee black, so I'll be drinking coffee all day long. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is try out this app. I weighed myself today. I was 243 pounds. So we're gonna log water. This is 8.45 ounces. I want to say 8 ounces, that's fine. I guess you should do at the end of this by knowing me. I'm gonna drink all this Perrier because I love Perrier. And I'm gonna add food. Oh, there you go, I can scan. That's cool. So you can to log your activities, you can scan. Oh, actually just scan the food. Wonder if I'll scan it like that. Nope. Let's try. There we go. Well, let's try rescan. There we go. So that worked. Alright, so I'm gonna log it. There's no barcode on here. I'll just have to add. Let me see if I can add that manually. Food. There we go. That's pretty good. I didn't put a apostrophe or anything in there, and I found it. So natural, no stirred cream and peanut butter. I'll pick this guy. I'm gonna have a half serving though. Count as power fuel. I'm gonna log that. I don't know what has this one. Alright. That's the app. Let's get to the actual food. Nothing super big here. Let's get this out of the way. Here's this if you want to see it. There's this guy. Not super big. This is a tiny 8-ounce can of Perrier. Alright, let me give it a shot and see how it tastes. I think it's pretty good. Again, it's not like an odor spunk mine or anything, but Way better than I expected. I don't have any problem with this guy. I'll eat this all the time. It's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to take a spoonful of peanut butter. Drink some more delicious Perrier. Alright, so I'll give this one a thumbs up. I'll be back later on with my snack. Alright, so now it is 11:04, April 2nd. It's time for my snack. Got more coffee, drinking half calf, Keurig, another Perrier, and my smoky BBQ Snack-a-Rounds. 140 calories. I figured out a little more of this app, so I adjusted it some. So now, for my snack, I'm gonna scan it. Log it. I don't think the water will scan. I'm gonna try to scan it. I don't think it will. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add 8 more ounces of water. Alright, so now I've had 380 calories after I'll eat all this. I really like the muffin. A little perforated part here. You can see it looks pretty similar to the actual chip itself on the picture. Pretty good. Heavy barbecue flavor. It's like a cross between a pop chip and tortilla chip, if you ever had a pop chip. So not as poofy as a pop chip, but kind of the same texture. Also get thumbs up. I'm not crazy about barbecue flavor, but not bad. Good crunch though. Alright, we'll be back for lunchtime. Alright, it's lunchtime, so now I'm gonna have 3 cheese chicken. Looks like some pasta. Directions say to shake it, then remove the lid. I'm gonna add it to my log first. My lunch. I'm gonna scan it. Log it. Let's see what it's like inside. Doesn't look terrible. Take a picture. So yeah, put 5 ounces of water, then microwave it, and then cover it with aluminum foil. I'm gonna do that and then come back. Alright, so it's done. Put foil on there for 5 minutes. Microwave it, then foil for 5 minutes. We're gonna. Yeah, well, it's a lot soupier than I expected. Alright, mix it up. Still looks pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and burn my mouth and see how this tastes. Yeah, that's way too hot to eat. I'm not gonna burn my mouth. We're gonna hold on. Alright. Add some Perrier for another 8 ounces of water. I took a little taste. Let's take a big taste. That's pretty good. I gotta say, give them that 2 thumbs up. Yeah, I like that. Here we go. I'll be back for. I gotta add power fuel, so I'll probably just eat peanut butter. Yeah, cause I gotta go buy some groceries later today. Alright, that's good. So far, Nutrisystem's a big win. Went to Walmart and picked these up. It says 1 shake is 1 power fuel. So, look at my app. My snack is supposed to be this. So, I'm going to scan. Didn't find it. So I'm going to add that in there manually. Let me take a taste and we'll see what it's like. Tastes fine. It's like any kind of these little pre-mix shake things. Like a Slim Fast or a protein shake of some sort. Not bad at all. Easier than trying to do the math. I'm pretty lazy, so I'll probably buy these because it's easier than me trying to calculate the other stuff. Earlier I had this frozen pizza. Probably not the best choice. Costco, I think, or Sam's one. But and it's a third of a pizza. It's 290 calories. I sliced it in fourths. Split it up with family. So, and then now I have this V8. So for my dinner, I don't know if I'm doing this right necessarily, but I counted the pizza as power fuel and smart carb. I'm gonna count this as 2 vegetables. Scan right up. Alright, we're gonna log that. Alright, I was behind on carrot and vegetables, so basically I just ate 2 bowls of these. I googled baby carrots, they're 12 for the serving, so I'm on my 2nd bowl of carrots. And I make the power fuel throughout the day, so I'm going to use one of these cheese stick things. 70 calories. And so all I have left for the day is more water and then 1 more snack. Alright, so I've managed to get all my day done. My last thing to eat is this Nutrisystem snickerdoodle. All these carrots, I had a double serving of carrots. So let me update that. Could probably do this a little better, but for my first day, it's not terrible. I'm eating too late here, but other than that, so I did my blueberry muffin, some peanut butter, BBQ Snack-a-Rounds, Nutrisystem lunch, a little string cheese, a chocolate shake. I went in Walmart and bought NutriCRUSH, and then my dinner, which wasn't great. Vegetables, I had V8 and then a whole bunch of carrots. And so the only thing I gotta drink a lot more water, which I'll do, and I gotta eat this guy. So let me scan him. Alright, so I'm logging that guy. very similar. And it tastes great. Another thumbs up. It's almost like a gingerbread cookie. It's chewy, but it's good. Alright. Good day, Nutrisystem. Good day.